Hi, to hide and unhide secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly let me show you where to enable secure folder. For that, we would need to go in the tablet settings. From here on the left side, scroll so you could see the security and privacy tab. And now on the right side, you would need to select more security settings. And now you can see secure folder. Select it. And with the help of secure folder, we can secure some files, apps, photos, and so on. So we can set PIN code or pattern or any type of protection for some apps, files, and so on. So here we got this greeting. Let's tap continue. Here you can see which permissions are needed for the secure folder. Just tap continue. And now it is creating your own secure folder, so we are just waiting. And after that, as I said before, we would need to select its log type. So here we got PIN code, password, pattern, and fingerprints. I want to select pattern. So here let's draw this type of pattern and tap continue. Now we'll need to draw it again to confirm and tap confirm. After that, we can allow lock reset with Samsung account. I'm gonna allow it here. And now we need to tap this next button. After that, you would see this default range of apps in the secure folder. Here you can tap on the plus and add some more from this list. Like that. We can go back, select for example gallery, and now we got no pictures or photos in this secure folder. So now we need to simply go back, and if we take a look on our app screen, we'll find this secure folder app and this range of apps in it. To add something to the secure folder, for example photos, we can open gallery. Now let me just select this one, here tap on the three dots, and now we got this option move to secure folder. Let's use it, and now this photo will disappear from my gallery and will be moved to the secure folder. Let's check it. Let me open it here, choose gallery, and yep, here it is. Now, if you wanna hide this secure folder from your homepage or app drawer, so you want for it to disappear, we would need to go back in the settings as we did before, select security and privacy, then go in secure folder, and from here we would need to tap on this toggle near the add secure folder to app screen to disable it. And now you see that will hide secure folder, so let's tap hide. And now let's check app drawer, and yep, no folder. So to unhide it and bring it back to the app screen, we would need to return back in the settings. As we did before, security and privacy, secure folder. Here we would need to unlock it using the pattern which we set before. And now we need to simply tap on this toggle to enable and to add it to app screen. Let's check it, and yep, it appeared in the app drawer. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.